Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap San Leandro local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we have been in the moving business for more than 20 years, so we know a thing or two about getting ready for moving day. Every service you need can all be found in the same place. We have every important service available, from packing to unpacking. We know your time is precious, so our movers work diligently to arrive right on schedule for moving day. Pricing also won't be one of your concerns, because we offer custom-free quotes for our affordable, high-quality services. Our professional movers will simplify your long-distance move. We can pack up your valuables in packaging designed to keep your things safe, while you focus on crossing tasks off your list. We hate to break it to you, but even local moves can be overwhelming without proper equipment, a truck, and strength for lifting. 3 Movers can supply everything you need. In just one day, we will have you packed and unpacked into your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Leandro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.